This is the little mini series we're doing to show you how to make little mini recipes. And today's recipe is...
We're going to be making hummus, but not just normal hummus, olive tapenade hummus. We've got loads of chickpeas left over because we just made aquafaba. Hummus seems like the perfect recipe. I do love a hummus, it's so quick.
Absolutely. And I would have to say, I'm really pleased that you've picked this one today because it's my fave.
Really exciting thing about this one is that we're actually using olives. First thing we're going to do is pop in 2 tins of chickpeas.
And if you're in America, this is a garbanzo bean.
We have about 100 grams of Kalamata olives. If you prefer a black or a green olive, that's fine. We've got 2 jarred roasted red peppers here. Again, because we're not using tahini, they're gonna add a little bit more, I'd say, creaminess to this dish. Rather than using olive oil, we'll pop in a little bit of this pepper oil. 4 tablespoons is what we're going for, but I'm gonna do just about, that's about 2 of that.
Yeah.
And then let's just go for 2 of normal olive oil. Okay, now next up, we're gonna add some acid. So we've got 2 lemons going in here. Yeah, the lemon will balance out all of the flavors. We've got 2 cloves of garlic going in.
Little ones.
You could put some capers in here, but we're actually gonna add 30 grams of parsley.
Nice. Fresh and healthy.
So we're getting a double bonus with this hummus. It's high in protein, it's high in good fat.
And how much salt's going in?
That was about half a teaspoon of salt. Remember, I've reserved this lemon, which we might squeeze in later. And let's whiz it up and see what happens.
Oh, I like it. It's like a traffic light.
One thing you can do, if it doesn't feel like it's gonna blend, is just add a touch more liquid. It's about another half tablespoon. And you know what? I know I'm gonna want this lemon in there anyway, so let's just squeeze a bit more of that in. That smells incredible. This device was perfect, and it helps you just push everything down. I mean, it smells incredible. Let's have a taste. Punchy.
That's lovely.
Yeah, that is gorgeous. Perfectly acidic, a little bit bitter. You can really get that tapenade flavors. The olive comes through incredibly. One final adjustment. It's always important to taste and then season accordingly. We are going to use the rest of this lemon.
I reckon it could do with a touch more salt as well. There we go.
Can't stress enough. Always season and taste. Oh my God, that's incredible. There you have it. Delicious, tasty hummus.
Which is available in this cookbook.
We make videos like this pretty much every day, so hit subscribe and be in touch.
And let us know what you thought about this video in the comments below.
And without further ado, bish,
Bash,
bosh!